Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you two super easy ways to decorate glass bottles. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For the first idea, take an empty glass bottle and using a sponge, apply pink acrylic paint over it. Once the paint is dried, using Fevicol, make circular rings over the bottle. Then dust some dry glitter over the glue. Tap the bottle to remove the excess glitter. Decorate the entire bottle using the same pattern. For the second idea, take an empty glass container and pour some drops of glass colors in it. You can use one or more colors depending upon your choice. Once you have poured all the colors inside the glass container, roll it or tap it so that the colors can spread easily. Then place the container upside down and let the colors dry. Once the colors are dry, using Fevicol, stick a jute rope at the neck of the container. Stick a bow to decorate it. So this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, then please hit like button and subscribe to the channel for more such DIYs. Thanks for watching.